How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Messenger. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and keep holding your Messenger icon. Now tap on App Info. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Display over other apps. Now make sure to enable this toggle and go back. Now tap on Picture in Picture. Also enable this toggle. Now go back. Now tap on Force Stop and tap on Force Stop. Now go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.